Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Kimmy and today I have my Christmas haul. Oh my gosh, my brain farts all the time. Okay, so we are doing a Christmas decor house tour. Woo! Got it done. Also, I already showed my other channel that I do reseller content on. This hoodie I got the other day at Academy Sports and Outdoors. I like it so much. The Simply Southern hoodies, if you haven't felt them, like they're really soft on the inside. So now to get into what you came for, the Christmas decor tour, and I will let you know where I got everything. All right, let's get it. All right, so starting out in the kitchen, if y'all watched my Decorate / Dollar General haul, you would have seen these. They were $1 each. They were from Dollar General. Actually, quite a bit of this was from Dollar General. This little plastic tablecloth was from Dollar General. I think it was $4. If it's not from Dollar General, I'll tell you where it is. Okay, so this was $3, and y'all, oh my goodness, if I can open it. I'm a woman this week. Y'all know what I mean? So I got a lot of chocolate, a lot of Christmas chocolate. But that jar, 10, was $3, and it's huge. I got some more chocolate. So this little Santa right here I picked up at a Goodwill. Same thing with that one. Both of those, they make noise, but I think they're both broken. But I picked them up at a Goodwill this last year. And then the elf made me do it, I believe. Let's see. Okay. It is, if it will focus, it says Winter Wonder Lane. Okay, Big Lots, $6. So I got that at Big Lots. That I got a couple years ago. And then this candle right here, I did pick that up at Dollar General as well. I have another one I'm going to show you. That was $5. Alright, so moving into the living room, up along these lights, which I believe these lights came from Dollar General. These are just little icicle ornaments. So they came in a big... Same thing with like most of the ornaments on the tree, which I'll go over, but a lot of the ornaments, the red, gold, and green ornaments came in this giant rectangle box from Walmart, and you can get it for like, I think $19.99 is how much it is. Look at Chloe, she's so pretty. Okay, so here's my 3-tier tray with my little essential oils and my plants. So down here, so the tray came from Hobby Lobby. It was $20 at like a half off. Originally I think it's like $40. So here is just a little snowflake ornament. All of my ornaments did come from Walmart except for a couple, which I'll show you. But there are the green and red ornaments down there. And then this one's hooked to something. I picked up 2 sets of 6 of these little paper mache ornaments. These came from the Goodwill outlet. So where you pay by the pound. It's not focusing, but they're just little paper mache ornaments. They're very like vintage looking. So I put ornaments down in the bottom, and then up here I got all of this stuff at Dollar General. So that little guy was $1.50. The piece little thing was $2. The bird was $1. The little trefoils were, I think, $1 or $2. And I got this little church and some little acorns. I think these did come from Dollar General. You can get them in a bag. And then another little snowman and another little tree. So make our way over here. I use this little throw blanket, excuse Chloe's little sweaters, but this pillow I believe also came from Big Lots, and I think it was $12, and I got it like 3 years ago. So I've had that pillow for a long time and I really like it. But here's all the little ornaments on the lights. I keep those lights up all year round. Alright, so the tree, the big tree, it's a 7, I think it's either 7 or 7.5 foot tree. It's got a little elf hat on the top, which came from Walmart. I believe it was like $5. And then, because I love elves, the tree itself was, I believe, 70. Alright, so my husband called me. Anyways, the tree, I believe, was $75, and it came flocked like that. The tree skirt down at the bottom was from the Goodwill outlet as well, where you pay by the pound. Those two little boxes down there are where I got these ornaments, these little paper mache ornaments, which I think are really cute. And then again, same ornaments. They came in that just a huge rectangle box. You got snowflakes, you got icicles, got the regular ball ornaments. There's gold. I love these little sparkly gold ones. There's little pine cones that are green and red, and then there's like they came with, I think, 2 Santas. I really like these ornaments. And I bought these 2 Starbucks cup ornaments from Poshmark, from one of my friend's closets, y'all. This is hilarious. Okay, I had no idea that they were ornaments. I thought I was buying I thought I was buying coffee cups, like mugs that have lids on them, until after I purchased it, and I looked back and I'm like, something's off about this. And I realized that they are ornaments because it came in boxes. So I didn't know. I thought they were coffee cups. I'm such a goober. And then there's another Santa over there. Right here, I just have a little friendship keychain that my friend sent me one time along with a package. And then I have this little mesh going around the tree. And I had burlap last year, but Aaron didn't like it because he felt like it took away from the actual decorations. So here we go. Well, that's another pine cone. Oh, okay. These. It has these big, what do y'all think those are? Icicles too? Has those big ones. And then I just love the little plaid. They may still have the set of ornaments. I did buy them last year when we bought this tree. So this is only the 2nd year that I've put this tree out, and it just came with some really pretty ornaments. I feel like it's worth it to just purchase the really big box and get a multiple pack of ornaments instead of buying like individual ornaments, because that's just one box of ornaments. And then the only extras that I showed you that didn't come in the $19.99 box were, I have like 12 of these total, and then the other Starbucks cup and the keychain. So everything else came in one box, one purchase. So I guess that's enough for the tree. I love my tree. And let's see, I have something behind it. That is from a Dollar General. Me and my mom went to a Dollar General when I visited last year, and I think all their Christmas stuff was half off. So it says Happy Holidays, and it's a little camper. I think it's really cute. And then we come over here, and I have this nutcracker. He's broken somewhere. No, I don't think he is. Oh yeah, his foot. Anyways, he came from Goodwill. And then this Let It Snow, let's see, $7.99. Oh, yep. I was like, it must be Hobby Lobby. It's not focusing, but it is Hobby Lobby. 2017 is when I bought that. This, I think somebody gave that to us. Same thing with these Christmas carolers down here. They were given to us. They're kind of creepy looking, but don't tell them that. The little granny, it's my favorite. She's even got a little bun in her hair. So I just have that right there. And then on this side I have It's Snow Much Fun. So it's Santa, there's like 3 Santas on a sleigh, like a sled. And then down here I have a Let It Snow with my lantern. So the Let It Snow, the Santa on the sleighs, those were both Goodwill finds. This dog was also a Goodwill find. And then up here, I get a lot of stuff at Goodwill. So the clock snowman came from Big Lots a couple years ago. Same time as I got the other snowman that says Let It Snow. And then that candle is from Dollar General. Then that fireplace back there, you can put a candle behind him, like a little tea light candle. And that I got from Goodwill as well. That guy came from Goodwill as well. And then that is my nephew. And I don't know where that picture frame came from. I think somebody gave it to me. And then this little elf, I feel like, let's see. He still has the tag on him. Okay. Hobby Lobby 2017 is when I got him. And I did not pay $15 for him. He had to have been like a 40% off, I believe, because I wouldn't pay that much for that. But I have had him for 3 years now, so you know, good thing there. So this bear is a wooden bear, and it's from Hobby Lobby because my friend has one, but I got mine at Goodwill for $5. So I just put it on the wall. It's huge, y'all. Like, it's pretty big. And I just put one of my ornaments right there on it. And I think it looks really cute. It just like ties everything together. So this is the living room right here. And then it goes back. My kitchen is dirty to the kitchen. So that's all the decorating I've done. A living room and the table and the kitchen is enough for me. We don't have kids or anything, so I think this is enough. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more. And I will see y'all back here in the next one. Bye.